Hello everyone. This is going to be a little walkthrough of this new wireframe user story tool that we're building. This is just an alpha at the moment, so we don't have the story part. We only have the wireframe part yet. But I thought I'd make a quick demo video and share with everyone. Let's start with a blank new page, and I'm going to call it dashboard, and we can select a particular page type. It could be a blank one or a left menu one. And let's now all this what you see is a set of blocks. Okay, so if we switch on editor mode, that's where the real magic happens. We can remove blocks or we can add blocks. So I wanted to add a title with two buttons. I've added it. If I wanted to add a table, I've added that. And if I wanted to add a some steps, like step 2, 3, or like onboarding stuff. Okay, steps doesn't make sense in this dashboard. So let's add a uh, let's see, what do we add? Pagination. Okay, and if we disable the editor, we have our dashboard ready. If you enable the editor, and that's not all. You can actually edit uh, these. So this can be a description, and this will edit. If we edit the table, we can edit the title, name, email, job title, something. I click save, and these things edited. If I edit the menu on the left, I can add dashboard, profile, uh, checkout, wire, save. See, so if I switch off editor mode, now I've all of a sudden I've wireframed a nice little dashboard very quickly, and I can just add another page and call it a profile settings page, left menu style, and we've wireframed a profile settings page. So as you can see, it's we can create new projects, of course, just to cluster them up. We can add what's it called? Add pages, add blocks, and the block library is going to keep growing. Dashboard with tiles. What does this look like? So this looks like this one. There are blocks that I don't know yet, which is great. We can add a pop-up, uh, something like this. So it's slowly going to build up. The story part isn't here yet. We're thinking of adding. So you can sign up and take ownership of this, and you can also share a public URL. So once there's a public URL, anybody can open. So I'm going to open in incognito mode, and I'm going to open this. So this is like a shared view of that particular project page, and left menu dashboard with tiles and everything. And I can close that, I can share, and I can just save more projects, more everything. Let me know. So you can provide feedback. First of all, please sign up. It'll help us, and I'll keep you guys updated. Second, you can just take annotations or provide some feedback through this report a bug button or report feedback button on the right. And I'd love to hear your thoughts. Twitter, Loom comments, Slack, wherever you see this, LinkedIn. Let me know how you see. Uh, Let me know what you think. Thanks. Bye.